Okay, people, so this is the second game of the day. We're attacking now. Apparently, there's a big crate we got to take to the village, but I didn't know that till halfway through the game. I realised that. Now, as you can see, this is our spawn point, and it's kind of obvious, but don't go out the front, innit? You go out, you spit out the sides. But they didn't do that. They all ran out the front and just got peppered by us. So let's see how we do. We're attacking now, and I really like this bit of gameplay.
We're gonna murder them.
It's kind of fast paced as well, but yeah, we know what to do now, so we're just gonna push. Let's see what happens.
Come on.
Which one's down? I never remember. Okay. Oh, I got lost.
Moving left. Yeah, watch the windows. Oh, is that my battery? Damn. Yeah, I've got to sort my battery out. Keep pushing! Why is that stuck? There you go. He's in that bush there.
Oh, that's to the right.
Josh, do you want a lob of smoke? Keep your head down, mate. He's got eyes on you. How far is he? I can't get him from the screen. That's it, boys. Well in. I can't move.
Shit, I need
I
more pop.
got you. We've got a 13 building up here. We're going to have a smoke. Yes, mate. I'll touch it down this corridor. Got good cover there. We're getting done by a sniper. Yeah, what a smoke, kid. Yeah, there's a sniper down there. Shit, fucking hell.
Oh yeah, see him.
See him? Smoke down, yeah. There's two trees.
Yeah.
Let's move! Good time! Go, 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 go! Come. Take cover! Behind you. Down. Whoa.
In the building, in the building. Where's everyone at? Where's everyone? Are we pushing forward? Pushing forward to the next shack. Steve, we're pushing forward to this next shack where the smoke is. Yep. I can't see any fire coming. At least we can draw their fire. Let's go. of breath, man.
That's the way we usually get killed.
That's a good push, that.
Yeah.
Saying the cohesion, the working.
Do you know what though? Are you guys still gonna keep up there? Because I'm gonna push straight down the middle now.
Yeah,
I'll keep those guys
quite
busy.
a few of them in the middle.
Yeah.
I think they're quite equal levels, so yeah, I mean.
Take that bunker and try and clear the middle first.
But if I know you're on the right, then I can keep there.
Shout to us if you need anything.
Right, Roger, we'll push that bunker in.
Yeah.
Right, so check this gameplay. It's always nice having a plan, and you can see how the plan actually works and like has an effect on the game.
You hit.
So they're going to push up the right
Sniper
flank.
Oh.
I'm going to push up the
Thought you were
middle.
hit.
Thing we forgot was the left flank. But anyway, if I'm pushing up the middle and they're all busy on the right flank, I know they're there, so and they know where I am. So we're pushing them and we're having a really good effect. But we get too
Good,
far
Steve.
forward.
I'm on
and
your
then
left.
Everyone kind of, joins in with the push. So they get a massive push on the right. But then we've wheeled
Pushing
round, so
forward.
we've got loads of them on the left, and they're all level with us, and they're taking us out. But I'm trying to get everyone's attention to say, look, the people on the left, they're shooting us. So it's a hard one, but I really like this push, and I really like that there was a little objective to our little gameplay. and
Yeah,
it
keep
works.
pushing.
Sorry, I'm rambling. Just watch, man. I'm just rambling too much. But yeah, it works,
Whoa,
man.
where did that come from?
I thought I was going to die quicker, but.
That's a ricochet, by the way. Like there's a sniper battle going on between this guy and the sniper.
Nice. Good call.
I love it when people call their hits. It's a nice feeling.
Keep pushing on the right. Steve, keep going. Steve, keep pushing down. Steve. In the bushes. Yeah, we're doing a push. Push on the right. We should cover them actually. Neil, yeah, all on the left, all on the left. Push on the left!
Go on, Cam, push!
Push on the left! No,
See
we're
what I
pushing on
mean?
the right, we need them to push.
We've gone too far forward on the right now. But the guys on the left should have cottoned on to what we were doing and pushed themselves. Because all those guys are busy watching us, like screaming and shouting, pushing, so they would have been preoccupied. But anywho's.
Yeah, they're all on our left. Neil, massive line of them on our left. Loads on the left there, Steve. Watch it. They're all lined up. Loads of them on the left. I've told them to push on the left so we can equal up, but they're not. So they're just...
Stewie, what are we saying? Help out on the left. You boys stay here, us for a go round.
Yeah, we'll keep them busy.
Yeah, let's push round where that guy is. Watch it, Neil. Watch your left, Neil.
Fuck off, mate.
Good!
Where's he at? Where? Sniper there in a ghillie suit, right here, look.
Sniper, innit?
Look, down here, behind this tree. It's still moving. Hit!
Right, I want to go back and find that sniper in the bushes, but what no one realises is there's more than one guy in the bushes. So there's about 4 of them actually, and they've all got ghillie suits on. So every time we're shouting out, "Oi, we've hit you!" there's more than one guy in there getting hit. So we all got a bit frustrated.
Huh? Is he still in the bushes?
So apparently, yeah, they're not taking their hits, but I don't
Steve,
think that was the
is
case.
he still in the
actually.
bushes? Are they still there though?
No, so he took a hit
Ah,
and then went, are you kidding me, mate? I just get hit.
I want to grenade him. Did I just get hit in my groin then, or did I just
So I
drop
do
him?
love a bit of revenge. It makes the game interesting, you know. If you get hit by someone who's camping in a bush, it's good to go back and try and get them out. Like, it's part of the fun, you know.
Now when you've got 4 people all firing into one position,
Yeah.
BBs are coming out of where you're aiming.
Right, let's go. Let's push up. Look, Jack's up here. Who's that guy behind the tree up there? Isn't that out of bounds?
Right, I just want to get on with it. I just want to like play. So I'm going after that little position again. See if I can clear them out.
Are you sure? I'm sure we're allowed now.
Oh, that's sad.
Oh, nice one, mate. Didn't even see you there. The 2 orange iron bands.
If we can't push up here, then we go.
Whoa.
Whoa, so we're getting
Someone's
peppered
in there.
by
Someone's in the
full
bushes.
auto.
Behind the
So I
bushes.
thought it was
Is it full
full
auto?
auto.
Let's try
But
it.
it's not. Semi only.
I'm sure we're getting hit with full auto there.
Or loads of people shooting at us at once.
I need to move from here, I know that. Where is he?
Where are they?
Somewhere in the bushes.
There.
There's a ghillie sniper in there.
Oh, God damn it. We need to push round there.
Movement far. And I see
Can't go past the
Yep,
orange.
red armband though. Now we can go move up a bit.
No, we
Yeah,
need to
let's
push round there.
I see
Watch
him.
it, he's right there, Come on. Someone right in these bushes here. Someone right here. Someone's right here somewhere on our left, in the bushes.
I can hear them firing and I can see the ricochets. But what I keep forgetting is that there's a group of them, so there's at least 4 of them in those bushes. So we need to sort them out.
Woo! He's shooting at me. Look, right here. Right here.
They're so close. Look at all those ricochets. I love that sound.
Ready? Is he
Grenade.
hit? Yeah. Nice one. Good call. Good call, mate.
Well, by talking, you've given your position away, and I'm just shooting at his voice. So he's dead now, if he wasn't dead before.
Put it in this bush, right here, right here.
Got him.
Let him out, let him out, let him out. Good play, mate. You took loads of us out.
Yeah.
Let him out, let him out. You held us up for ages, mate.
Perfect spot.
Let's go. Where is the can? Who's got the objective? Is that what we got carried?
Yeah.
Are you joking?
Have fun. I had to carry that from fucking heli.
Who's that guy there? Why ain't no one shooting him? Why ain't no one shooting him? He's right there, no one's shooting him. See, hit, hit. He's right there. Ooh. That is way too big and heavy. Respawn.
That doesn't have to go in the fob, does it? It does. Yeah, that goes in the fob. It has to go in the fob. It goes into the fob first, you raise the flag, and then you go up to heli. Barry and that said it didn't.
Have you got any wheels for it? That is way too big.
Is it open? We can get in and shoot.
I think they
Yeah, just set up a Trojan horse.
No, I think they just put a bunch of bricks in it before they gave it back or something. So.
Is it? Can we empty it though?
No, we got to take it. Well, no, we got to take it to the fob.
Come on then, let's go.
So we got to get that up to the fob. It weighs a ton. I'm not carrying it. But yeah, they're not clear if it's got to go through the fort first, up to the village. So we just bypass the fort
That's
and
the
go straight
objective.
up to the village.
What do we need to do with it?
I was right.
Where are you going?
We're being drawn right now.
Where are you going now? Yeah, let's escort the objective.
We still have to take the fob, but this doesn't go.
Sing a sing song, please. Get morale up.
Steve! Steve!
Everywhere we go,
Everywhere we go.
people want to know who we are.
I don't think that's what it is. It's where we come
Green
from.
team.
Yeah. Yeah.
We basically
We're the front line here. Yeah. Come on.
Let's go. War cry.
yes.
Let's go. Right, this is why we pay money for. Shoot and move in front of the box.
Whoa.
In the green diamond.
Yeah, guys, no further than this.
So, marshals, if you're watching this, you need to check out this, because this is a bit of a mess up here. We've taken the objective, that big crate, all the way up to the where we need to be, and we've still got people fighting down at the fort. So the marshals told us we can't go any further. So we're
Someone's
literally
shooting us
just,
from over there.
we're literally just standing there,
Okay,
like,
so
waiting
I'm-
around, because he won't let us go any further. But the people getting hit down at the fort on the other team have to go up to this objective to respawn anyway. So all the ones walking back are dead, and we're still shooting them anyway. But it makes no sense. Like we should all go back down to the fort maybe, and then come up. But we've done what we needed to do. We've taken the objective
Watch
up,
it, there's
up
someone
where,
in
where
here.
it needs to go. You know what I mean? So I don't know what to do next.
Where's that coming from?
Wait about, innit?
I see him. Hit! Sure, I hit him as well. He's right there. Look, see his armband. Yeah, his head's poking up right in front of you. There.
Right, so what do I do when I'm hit now? Do I stand around here and wait, or go back down to the fort? So I'll take a stroll down to the fort, see if I find a respawn flag, and ask the marshal what's going on. But all these guys are standing around here, and they're all getting pinged by snipers that are inside the village waiting for us. So the ones that have been hit, they're up in the village, they're waiting for us, they're shooting at us, but we can't go any further. So every time you get hit, you got to walk all the way back down the hill and then walk back up. So sort it out.
Yeah, but it depends on where you're fucking looking. Have you got that right at the top, or have you got it like right at the top?
So about halfway down the hill, there's still fighting going on, but
Oh, I'm so hungry.
a bunch of us just standing about, just chatting and waiting for them all to come up. This little kid, man, he's hilarious. When I make this video, I got to do like an age check where they say, is it appropriate for kids? And I got to put yes or no and check if I swear in the videos. This kid, man, non-stop swearing. Every word come out of his mouth. But he was funny.
Oh, hold on. A bit more. Nearly there.
Doing his hop up for him, make his BBs fly straight. Nice kid though.
Oh, that's nice. Oh, your mag's run out. Yeah, you got BBs. Oh, okay. Ow, I just got hit in the hand. Oh, wow. Yeah, you got loads. No, I'm good. Why is he shooting at us? We're obviously standing around waiting for you to go up. Sniper picking us off. It's got me in the finger.
Yeah, alright, I'll take it. I'll go down the bloody hill. Let's go and find a marshal. Everyone's just stagnating up there. So I don't know what everyone's doing down here anyway. Don't even need to take the fort.
Marshal! Right, this makes no sense. Steve, we've already taken the objective up there. We're just waiting around.
Yeah, I'm a bit unsure on that myself.
We've taken the objective up there. We're not allowed to enter the thing. We're waiting, just sitting there, taking hits.
Yeah, you got a walkie-talkie, mate.
We just
Communicate.
we're around them. Huh? I don't know.
Just to get full auto, but we can still just take it up there.
Well, we've got it up there anyway, so we're just waiting for everyone to come up.
Come on then, boys. Why are we fucking fighting these guys if we don't need to be?
The objective's up there. We're just waiting to run into the village. There's only like 3 of us up there.
My camera's stopped working. The one on my head's about to stop working, and the one on my gun switches around. I don't know what's going on with my camera.
Yeah, because they're respawning up there. Steve, they're respawning up there.
So I managed to get this one working again, but not the other one. And it's really loud when I'm firing, because it's right on the end of my gun. But yeah, it's just the last bit of footage before the end of the game. We succeeded, and then
That's enough smoke. That's enough smoke. Let's go.
and we dominated.
Alright, careful, mate. One more. Shit. Sorry. He's on this corner. He's on this corner. I can't move to the left of the shot. I can't to the right. I'll try and get up a bit. Hit. Yeah, that's right. Play like. Watch it, down there. Yeah, he's hit. think the crate blocked us. No, we dropped the crate, we saved the crate. Yeah, they're pushing back. Whoa, that's a dodge there. Is he running? Watch him there, Steve. He's right there, Steve. Steve, look, he's right there on your left. Lee, on your left. Yeah, he's hit.